So, you can have the best design, the best engineered product, but if you're not using the top of the line material to produce that, you can have subpar results. So at Swagelok, we'd like to say that everything starts with the melt. So, as mills and stainless steel manufacturers have gotten better at dialing in, the requirements of the elements that constitute stainless steel. They have tended to the lower ranges of the percentages for things like chromium and nickel. Swagelok, on the other hand, has maintained 17% nickel and 17% chromium and 12% nickel, and this is going to lead to enhanced corrosion resistance and ductility of the stainless steel. So again, this is another issue of not sacrificing quality for cost. And so Swagelok is such a large buyer of stainless steels that we run batches from our approved mills that are unique to Swagelok. So Swagelok stainless steel cannot be purchased by anybody else. So when we go back to the interchange intermix, there is no other company, no other manufacturer that is able to use the Swagelok stainless steel. So we put a bunch of controls on our suppliers in the procurement process, and then we also undergo a tremendous amount of testing when it comes into our receiving. So we do 100% ultrasonic testing. And so this just helps ensure the uniform manufacturability when we're making up our tube fittings. And this highlights some of the material and some of the testing. So chloride stress corrosion cracking, it happens. No stainless steel is immune from that, but through some testing procedures and the material that is employed in the stainless steel, in the Swagelok stainless steel, they did a lot of testing and none of the Swagelok nuts cracked or leaked, while 39% of other nuts cracked, and then 2.7% leaked. So you can kind of see the picture down there below of what 700 plus hours of a test environment does to other stainless steels. And with that in mind, Swagelok offers a wide array of alloys and to combat corrosion. So just know that there are other options available. And then there are also combinations of those alloys that we have tested that are engineered combinations that we can, employ to make sure that there is not a lot of corrosion cracking. And some of these are specific to seawater, but they can be applicable to other applications. So now moving into kind of tying together some of the design, some of the material into the manufacturing process. So what's important here is that Swagelok owns the manufacturing process from start to finish. We forge, we machine, we electropolish, we weld, we assemble. We invest a lot into the machines that we use, always concerned about total cost of ownership of those machines in order to minimize the errors. And then also Swagelok has a tool shop in the manufacturing center, so we maintain the tools that are there as well. So that is able to achieve, super tight tolerances that we keep. Also have a robust reliability excellence program, and then this leads to traceability at all phases of the process as well, and then that enables us to stand behind our limited lifetime warranty. So just know that a unique identification code is assigned to a heat of each material, and then this information is maintained throughout the manufacturing and assembly process. It allows us to track a lot of the material that makes up a part and which components are in assembly. And so we've been approved by all these quality systems that are listed here. And through all this, we are able to stand behind Swagelok limited lifetime warranty, and that is the best in the industry. So we have been honoring the same warranty for over 70 years. So it says that there's a defect of material or workmanship, we'll not only replace the product, but also the installation of that product. So I know personally that I've been involved in a couple product evaluations, and Swagelok does an excellent job of really doing good research in a lab analysis to determine what the root cause of a potential failure is, to make sure that the remedy is accurate